फोर व्हिलरीन सगळ्यांकच सीट बेल्ट म्हटल्यार सेफ्टी बेल्ट घालप सक्तीचे जातले. सुप्रीम कोर्टान रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी नेमल्या. कमिटीन 6 वांगड्यांचो मॉनिटरिंग सेल काढला. हो सेल आता फोर व्हिलरींचेर नदर दवरतलो. गोवा कॅनान माहिती दिल्या. जाल्यार एके मोहिमे अंतर्गत मडगांवां फुकट हेल्मेटां वांटपाची मोहीम राबयली.
गोंयांत सेफ्टी रोड मोहीम चालू आसा. त्या निमतान मडगांवांत दिग्विजीत चौहानान हेल्मेटा विणे दुचाकी चलोवप्यांक फुकट हेल्मेटां भेटयली. ही मोहीम तेणें मडगांव ट्रॅफिक पुलीस सेलाची मजतीन राबयली. हेल्मेटां ही पुलिसा खातीर न्हू जाल्यार स्वताचो जीव वाटावपा खातीर आनी आपले फॅमिली खातीर घालची. समाज वावुरपी दिग्विजीत चौहान आनी मडगांवच्या ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी आवाहन केलां. मोहिमेक ट्रॅफिक सेल पुलिसांनी सांगात दिलो. पळयात दिग्विजीत चौहान आनी पुलीस निरीक्षक गौतम साळुंखेन केल्लें आवाहन.
As it is a safety month going on, I request each and everyone to kindly be safe for your family. तुम्ही सगळे रस्त्यार भोंवता, तुमची लायफ सारकी रिस्क घेवन अँड तुम्ही घरा पावतले काय ना तेजेय खबर आसना. घरा कडेन भुरगीं बायल नाल्यार जाणटी कोण तुमची कुस्तारार कोण जियेतात ती घरा कडेन रावली आसतात. सो तांकां लागून तुमी सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाक जाय. हेल्मेट जावं इन्शुरन्स जावं कित्याक तुमचो एक्सिडेंट जालो, गाडी डॅमेज जाली नाल्यार तुमकां कितें डिसेबिलिटी जाली, इन्शुरन्स कवर्स यू ऑल. अँड हेल्मेट कॅन सेव अ लायफ. वेदर मेजर एक्सिडेंट कितें जालो जाल्यार तकली आड्डून बी तुमकां डिसेबिलिटी जावपाक शकता. तुमी एक्सपायर जाले जाल्यार घरा कडेन पयशे दिवपी तुमचे कोण आसपाना. सो यू ऑल हॅव टू बी व्हेरी केअरफूल गायज इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड नॉट टू रोम विदाउट अ हेल्मेट ऑर इन्शुरन्स. खूब पुलीस आमचे बेश्टेच रस्त्यार वतान भोंवपा हांगा 10 मिनटां रावलां वतान म्हाका खबर आसा कितें जाता तें म्हाका. सो पुलीस इतले वेळ रस्त्यार उबी रावतात चलान दिवं तांकां कितें मजा येना ती. तांकां 100 रुपया फायन दिली म्हूण तुमची लायफ सेव जाता म्हूण तशी ना. सो प्लीज टेक प्रिकॉशन्स अँड support the Goa Police to support you also.
We are observing National Road Safety Month this year, which has started from January 18th and which will continue till 17th of February. In this month, we will try to reach out to each and every public who is using the road, basically the road users. We want to create awareness among them that they should follow the road safety rules so that they remain safe on roads. To tell more, last year we had about 225 people tentatively dying on roads because of road accidents, and out of which about 140 people are two-wheeler riders. So I want to appeal each and every two-wheeler rider to wear the helmet, and I want to also tell them that not to wear the helmet to save their fine from police, which is just of 100 rupees, but they should wear helmets to save their life. ते रस्त्यार भोंवता पूण घरा कडेन तांची फॅमिली आसता, सो तांकां जर कितें जर जायत then there is no one to take care of the family. So also I also would like to appeal to all the road users who are riding and driving that they should adhere to all the road safety rules and regulations. They should wear the seat belts. They should not talk on the phone while riding. Don't drink and drive. Don't drive your vehicle at excessive speed. So in this month we are trying to reach out to all the public and create awareness among themselves so that they remain very safe on the roads. And our aim is to reduce the road accidents and fatalities for this year. And at last but not least, I would like to thank Mr. Digbijit Chauhan, who has come forward and has taken such a beautiful and responsible initiative to help and donate free helmets to the public.
जाल्यार गोवा कॅनाची उत्तर गोंय डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रॅफिक सेफ्टी कमिटी बरोबर बसका जाली. त्या उपरांत गोवा कॅनाचो निमंत्रक रोलंड मार्टिन्स गोवा 365 कडेन बसके विशीं उलयलो. पळयात.
So today there was a meeting of the North Goa District Road Safety Committee, which now is a committee. Earlier it was called a council, and it is a committee which is chaired by the collector. I mean, earlier council was chaired by the collector, and now it is chaired by the Honorable Member of Parliament. As you know, the first meeting we had recently was chaired by Mr. Shripad Naik, but since due to his accident and his illness, the meeting was chaired by the additional collector, Mr. Gopal Patsekar. Now today the important decisions that were taken, first is that, as you know, there is a Supreme Court appointed Road Safety Committee. Supreme Court appointed Road Safety Committee, which is monitoring the road safety situation all over India, including the state of Goa. So one of the issues that was taken up today is to pursue the targets that have been fixed up and various earlier decisions, the member secretary decided that there should be a monitoring cell. So today a 6-member monitoring cell was appointed, chaired by DYSP Traffic, Shri Salim Sheikh, and there will be representations from PWD, Education, Health. Member secretary will be the ADT Enforcement of Transport and Goa Cat. Now, one of the important things that we have noted is that we have to also create new kind of awareness. You see, many accidents are taking place where the passengers who are in the cars are also getting seriously injured because they are not wearing the seat belt meant for passengers. So we have decided today, instead of just calling it a seat belt, we will focus on calling it a safety belt and advocate people who are the co-passenger with the driver and the passengers in the rear seat that they should wear their safety belt. Second thing is, we will be doing in the first week of February inspection outside KTC bus stand. As you know, the area outside KTC bus stand is very confusing for many of the new drivers and riders because there are so many roads connecting there. There is the bridge also, and therefore there is a need for special signages, so that inspection will be done. Today also we have decided to approach River Navigation Department. As you know, the ferry boats at Bethi and Diwar side are used by lots of riders, drivers. So we want to harness this potential to create awareness. So this attempt will be taken up by the traffic police and the Directorate of Transport by taking the help of River Navigation Department to use the ferry boats with appropriate signages. And as soon as the Motor Vehicle Act rules and the amendment is finalized and the penalties are finalized, we will also get them to be displayed in the ferry boats for people's awareness. Another important decision was to highlight the Good Samaritan law. A lot of people are not aware of this, that they can help an injured person. Earlier there was a fear that if you helped an injured person and take him to hospital, you could get into trouble. Now there is a Good Samaritan law, and this Good Samaritan law needs to be widely publicized. So that is another decision taken today, that publicity will be given for the Good Samaritan law and the benefits of it. Then another important decision taken today was to create a minimum road safety plan for cyclists. There is a lot of enthusiasm for cycling now. Of course, there is no dedicated cycle lane, but at least we want that those who are going cycling early morning or late night, that they follow some minimum precautions like wearing something fluorescent and even the older cycles to see that the reflectors are there. If not, then at least fluorescent tape will be put for them so that the cyclists are protected. Now, one other point that we have taken up today is to try and see that our bus stands are safe. So the first focus will be Tanjim bus stand. As you must have noticed, there is supposed to be one entry and one exit point.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान रमेश नायक रावत.